Having issues with smoke coming out of this area. I believe it's from the manifold, or like the exhaust manifold. Originally I thought it was a valve cover gasket, so I replaced it. When I took this off, I painted it. You see it's blue. But the gasket's also linked to the intake, I think. It's like a horseshoe kind of thing. So I'm trying to fix that. Let me see. After YouTubing, people were saying, like, what is it, spray a brake cleaner or something, or like to try to find the leak. I figured out I'm just gonna stick the exhaust side, so it's gonna blow air into, I guess, the exhaust in here, and then I'm gonna go under and try to see with just soapy water and spray all over the engine bay and see what bubbles. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I have the exhaust, like the vacuum, so it's gonna be blowing air into the exhaust. I put a sock in there just, you know, to try to like filter out anything, I don't know. And then I put a little tape. I'm gonna turn it on. Blowing air. Just soapy water. Wherever it bubbles, that should be the issue. So I know if it's a gasket or the entire manifold. So here, bubbles. Where else? I don't see any. Oh, there's one right there. So I'm assuming that's cracked. If I spray all the way down there, it's bubbling there. So I got bubbles all around this. I already got a replacement, but one thing I would recommend is I feel like I'm missing a bolt right here. There's supposed to be a bolt right here. I feel like I'm missing it. Like there's nothing in here. My finger goes in. So a lot of times they come loose. I tightened them before, you know, buying a new one, and it's still, you know, doing this. That one, look at all those bubbles. Also, watch, I'll show you. It makes a hissing noise when it's on. I believe that's this. So I just turned it on. There's usually like a hissing. I don't know, but I know there's a hissing. Oh, you know what? You could hear it from here. So you hear it hissing. I'm assuming that's that air just going in there. So, good luck, guys.